Much has changed during the last 3 decades, and the use of the English language is a prime example. Teams, we have to accept that many words have changed their meanings, and I'd like you to provide examples of some that you've spotted. Graham, will you start, please?
Yes, the word negligent, a man who wears lingerie.
Cryogenic, which is when you turn out in a photograph to look like Barry.
Stir fry to arouse Stephen.
Parsnip, Dad's vasectomy. There's Marmite. Mum's possibly up for it, especially if Dad is parsnipped.
Wallaby, someone aspiring to be a kangaroo.
Countryside, to kill Piers Morgan.
Tomahawk, a vegetable of prey.
Diphthong, to wash an undergarment.
You could wash it in, actually, a lip sync, which is a lady's intimate wash basin.
As used by Piers Morgan.
Placebo, a Spanish tenor who does nothing for me.
Rectitude is the angle at which a thermometer should be inserted.
Homophobe, somebody who doesn't like The Simpsons.
Portent, the Millennium Dome.